So hey guys, this is Abhishek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today date is 7 July 2026. Now I am going to share 10 vocabularies with you. So before that I want to share some insight about my day. So today uh, in the morning I woke up and spit on my hand and take in my finger and rub in my around navel, and after that rub around my throat, and after that rub around my pineal gland. Then I completed my some task. After that I read for 1.5 hour. Then I go my shop for half an hour. Then I come and exercise for half an hour. Then I again come. Then I bath and like daily work. I did some work like puja, bathing or breakfast 1 hour. Then I total today I read book at least 3.5 hour and learn language half an hour. So this is my day. One interesting thing now I am going to share with you, that is today I went for bought a phone. Today I went to bought a phone for to Vishwakarma uncle. So the phone name is A Oppo Oppo O6 A6X, like that, or 15,700 rupees of phone. So I bought. So meaning is, first one is insufficient, aparyapt, like inadequate, aparyapt. So I had insufficient money to buy iPhone. I had insufficient money to buy this t-shirt or buy this iPhone or buy this stuff. So I have insufficient money. Or if you have insufficient power to lift that weight, so why you are lifting? Exceed. Please drive car in your limit. Don't exceed your limit, or don't exceed your eating limit. Induces. So exercise induces positive changes in the body. Exercise induces, उत्पन्न करता है पॉजिटिव चेंजेस इन दी बॉडी. और हार्ड वर्क इंड्यूसेस पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट. और मेडिटेशन इंड्यूसेस अवेयरनेस अराउंड थॉट्स. So it is important to induce positive outcome. Fourth one is proponents. So he is a leading proponent of natural farming. He is a leading proponent of natural farming. Samarthak. So he is a leading proponent of the party natural farming. He proponent. Or I am a proponent of natural farming. I am also a proponent of natural farming. And 5 one is fluke. संयोगवश मिली सफलता. So passing the exam without studying would be fluke. संयोगवश मिली, किस्मत से हुई घटना. I found a phone in fluke. If you think you work less and you will achieve success in fluke, so it will not happen. It will be not happen. passing the exam without studying would be a fluke. Bluntly, the doctor bluntly explained the risk. Bluntly स्पष्ट रूप से. So the doctor bluntly explained the risk. डॉक्टर ने सीधे तरीके से जोखिम बता दिया, सीधे रूप से जोखिम समझा दिया या बता दिया. और you should bluntly about the answer, or you should explain the speech bluntly, not in a rotating way. Okay, so 7th one is mitigation. किसी समस्या नुकसान के प्रभाव को कम करना, मिटिगेशन कम करना. So regular exercise helps in the mitigation of stress. नियमित व्यायाम तनाव कम करने में मदद करता है. So regular exercise can helps in mitigation of stress. और मल फंक्शन मिटिगेशन कम करता है, रनिंग 1 किलोमीटर एवरी डे मिटिगेशन योर स्ट्रेस, योर पेन इन योर लेग. मिटिगेशन कम करता है, तुम्हारे पैरों में दर्द को कम करता है. सो रनिंग 1 किलोमीटर कैन मिटिगेशन योर लेग पेन. और स्टॉप यूजिंग फोन before going bed, 1 hour before going bed can mitigation your sleep, can mitigation your adrenaline level or enhance your sleep. 8 malfunction गड़बड़ी. So malfunction of this phone is, और द एलिवेटर स्टॉप्ड बिकॉज ऑफ malfunction. लिफ्ट खराबी के कारण रुक गई. द एलिवेटर स्टॉप्ड बिकॉज ऑफ malfunction. लिफ्ट खराबी के कारण रुक गई. और इन पर्टिकुलर विशेष रूप से, आई इंजॉयड ऑल फ्रूट्स इन पर्टिकुलर मैंगोज. मुझे सभी फल पसंद है, विशेष रूप से आम. और आई इंजॉयड एवरी डिश इन पर्टिकुलर मैंगो शेक. मुझे सब कुछ खाना पसंद है, विशेषकर टोफू. आई वुड लाइक टू ईट एवरीथिंग इन पर्टिकुलर टोफू. और 10th स्पॉन उत्पन्न किया. सो इकोनॉमिक चेंजेस स्पॉन्ड न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. इकोनॉमिक changes spawned new opportunities. So that is 10 vocabularies whichever I learned in the beginning of my day, So goodbye, I will meet you tomorrow. Goodbye.